You're watching NBC6 News at 6.
Your Health Matters in the Louisiana Office of Behavioral Health is expanding opioid treatment services in Shreveport. NBC6's Jay Shakur joins us now, sharing more. Jay?
The Louisiana Department of Health is attacking opioid addiction in northwest Louisiana with a new 24-hour treatment facility.
Fatal overdoses involving opioids have steadily increased in Louisiana. According to the Louisiana Opioid Data and Surveillance System, opioid-involved deaths increased by 67% in the last 2 years. Dr. Sean McNeil says opioid use disorder symptoms are different for everyone, but addiction is most common through prescription.
Sometimes, it's because they've been prescribed an opioid pain medication from a doctor or from, after a surgical procedure. That's very common. Most people don't end up addicted, but some people do end up with a dependence on these medications. And then you'll see other people that start to use them recreationally, and that's their first contact with drugs like this.
We see maybe 1 in every 9 people have an issue with opioid use disorder or suffer from the disease of addiction. And we see that number growing, and that really has inspired us to want to do more, to provide more access.
Access made possible by the Louisiana Department of Health's Office of Behavioral Health. The office is expanding flexibility to opioid treatment services here in Shreveport, partnering with Behavioral Health Group.
This really opens it up for counseling, peer recovery sources. We're open to receiving calls to meet anyone in the community that may be struggling with the opioid use disorder or diseases of addiction. Or sometimes people call and they are struggling and not exactly know. Either way.
The partnership has increased funding from LDH to expand workforce capacity, providing 24/7 service at Behavioral Health Group on Line Avenue.
Addiction is chronic and it is progressive. It is a disease, and it's not always going to work the first time. It may not always work the second time, but it is the willingness and the fortitude of the person and having the support system around it.
The clinic is an outpatient treatment facility allowing patients to receive necessary medication and counseling while continuing their daily lives.
We're there 24/7, the same way an emergency department would be, and our doors don't close. We know that anything can happen at any time, and it takes such a huge amount of courage to just make that one phone call.
Now, overall, Louisiana has 10 of these treatment programs in the state, with another 24-hour treatment facility coming to Hammond in June. Jackie?
That is good news. Thank you so much, Jay.